Assalamu Alaikum. Good morning, respected teacher and fellow student. Today I want to talk to you all about how to choose a career in life. Number 1. Identify your interest. Start by making a list of things you enjoy doing and find interesting. This could include hobbies, activities, or subjects that you excel in or feel passionate about. Number 2. Assess your skills. Determine your strengths and weaknesses and identify areas where you excel. Consider what skills you have already developed and what skills you would like to develop. Number 3. Research career options. Look for careers that align with your interest and skill. Research job description, educational requirement, and potential earnings. Number 4. Consider your values. Think about what is important to you in a career. Choose a work-life balance, job security, or the ability to help others. Number 5. Gain experience. Consider internship, volunteering, or part-time jobs to gain hand-on experience in fields that interest you. Number 6. Seek advice. Talk to professionals in your desired field and seek advice from career counselor or mentors. Number 7. Make a decision. After considering all of the above factors, make a decision on which career path to pursue. Remember that it's okay to change direction if you find that your chosen career path isn't the right fit for you. Thank you very much and have a good day.